Hello, Witchfolk. Welcome to our coven. We are angels on broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. And here on this channel, we see makeup as something that is fun, creative, magical, and definitely for everybody. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. Now today's Thursday. We would normally be doing our special series, Witches, Bitches, Martinis, and Makeup. But we're kind of behind on like product reviews and just, explaining makeup, talking about makeup. So we're going to be doing that today. We're going to be doing a brand first impressions review. And that brand is
Rituel de Fille. Where did you discover this brand?
So I had heard of it very briefly from Celine Bernhardt's. She used one of their like cream pigment blushes. And I was like, oh, that's so pretty. And I saw it on this natural clean beauty website I turned to. But then Mary Moods and Makeup.
She's our best friend on the internet. She's like the biggest makeup nerd and we love her so much. She has a channel you should check out. And you should definitely go on her Instagram because she knows all the indie products.
Yeah,
so we'll leave a link to her Instagram and channel down below.
Yeah, she had brought it to our attention and kept kind of saying their products are so witchy. And I didn't notice that at first. And then I went on the website and oh my God, I fell in love.
It's so us.
So witchy. So definitely take a look at their website. So yeah, we're just going to let you know what products we are using and what we got from our mini haul. And yeah, so anyway, the brand itself was founded by three sisters who were inspired by the magical side of natural ingredients and the ritualistic ceremonial power of pigment. So witchy. So witchy. So and perfect. It's cruelty-free and it's handcrafted and natural.
And the packaging is sublime.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Here's some of the packaging. So here's some of the products we picked up. I have the Inner Glow Cream Pigment in Nymph. So this is like one of those sort of multi-use type products. You can use it on your eyes, lips, cheeks, sheer it out, build it up. This is like a super red. I wanted it for like looking like you've been in the snow and you have red cheeks,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then I also picked up the Metamorphic highlighter in the High Priestess. I mean, how could I not? The High Priestess is a tarot card. She's the badass bitch. So this like has a really subtle lilac shift. I wonder if it's gonna show up on camera. Probably not, but in real.
It's amazing.
It's pretty.
Fantastic.
It's like pinky purple shift. I'm really excited to use that. We also have the Alchemist highlighter Intensifier, which is sort of like the highlighter for your highlighters. And this is like the Fenty Diamond Bomb, but I find like in cream formula. And it is like beautiful sparkles. I don't know if you can see it, but in real life.
Yeah, it's stunning.
On the website, they're like, it looks like, like sunlight on the sea. And that's just such a beautiful image. And then we both got some of these Enchanted lip shears, which are basically like lip products that you can really shear out. I got one in Bloodroot, which is an orange, and then also in Black Locust, which is like not a black, not a gray, not a dark purple, but sort of like a vampy shade that is supposed to be good for going with your natural color, but tinting it to be like vampy. What's the color you got? Fortune Teller. It's like a pinky red, right?
I don't know about pink.
Well, you're going to wear it, right?
Yeah, of course I'm going to wear it.
And then we have the Black Orb Enigmatic Kohl eyeliner.
Cute? It's like 70s vibe here.
It's hefty.
Weighty.
She heavy. And this is like a Kohl liner, but you can use it everywhere. And it's so black.
This is going to be handy. Like if you want to do a tight line, you want to blur it out.
I use this a little bit. Not going to lie.
Me too. I tried it.
And I like how it like really shears out. Like you could get that worn in rock and roll type eye. Oh, and then lastly, you got some of the eye Soot. Soot. Which is the Celestial Sphere one in Andromeda.
See, it comes like this. And it's not really Soot because it's glued in.
Yeah. It's more like a gel formula, and that's a shift from red to gold. You can't really see it.
I don't know if it's red.
It says here, red to gold.
Okay, fair.
Pinky red. Anyway, we're just going to get started. We already have bases on, and let's get right into this Kohl. When I first used it before, like, I only kind of did it a little bit on the outside, and I haven't really tried building it up a lot, which is what I'm curious about.
I'm going to start digging in with this flat liner brush. What are you going to use?
I have like a slightly rounded, flatter brush, dense brush, and I'm going to just like pack the pigment on. I'm thinking of doing a halo-ish eye, like black, and some of that shimmery in the middle.
I'm going to tight line what I said, just to see how it works. It's like a thick gel liner.
I've seen some really cool images of this on their website, or their Instagram and their website. We'll do some really cool stuff with this. But I've never had a product like this.
I'm blurring mine out.
It almost has an oiliness to it too, which is just interesting.
It applies really well, like, and blends out really well.
Yeah, super blendable black. Sometimes blacks don't blend out nicely, which is my problem with them. So I'm just packing the pigment on my outer and inner portions, and then I'm going to do the blending after.
I'm blending as I go. I just switched brushes to one of those flat curved ones as well. I think that's the best.
Have you ever had a Kohl eyeliner?
Well,
Kohl product?
Like a real Kohl, like from India?
Was that what that's from?
Or from like Carrie Bradshaw when she goes to Abu Dhabi?
Yeah.
Abu Dhabi do.
Abu Dhabi too.
No. I've had like, shitty Kohl pencils, like from the drugstore. But I don't know is that Kohl?
I don't even know. What does that even mean?
Does anyone know about Kohl?
Is it made out of coal?
No.
If anybody knows Chelsea Wolfe, the musician, she did a collab with this brand.
Did she?
Yeah. One of
Wow.
I want to say it was the lip thing. So cool, though. I would love to own a brand like this.
This is your brand.
Yeah, if I owned one, it would be this.
I'm just wiping off excess under my eye. So I don't want it to... Well, maybe I do. Like Taylor Momsen.
I was thinking of just doing, a wash of it under my eye. That's really is what I feel like I love thus far about this product, just how much it shears out as a black. I can't really explain it unless you try it. It's just like...
It's true.
It doesn't blur patchy. It just blurs like charcoal on a page.
Yeah.
Kind of.
It's true. Whatever happened to Taylor Momsen? Does anyone know?
I was weirdly looking her up the other day, recently-ish, but now I can't recall. Except that I remember thinking way back when, oh, her band, it's so stupid, but she's actually got a great voice. I don't know why I was being mean back in Gossip Girl
She was Cindy
days.
Lou Who, guys.
Yeah. So now I'm just got a little bit more of a fluffy brush, and I want to blend it out.
I as well picked up a big fluffy brush just to blend it at the edges. I can't wait to dip into the soot. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna use the same brush. Why not? The curvy flat brush. I think this might be a finger application.
Probably.
But you can't get your finger in it.
Pinky?
Oh, pinky.
And I'm keeping most of the black pigment on the under part of the eye towards the center and then out. I don't want to bring it in too much because I don't want to look too Taylor Momsen-y gothic.
Well, I think I got the good application. The brush and tap it, because it can shear out as well, just like the black, and then you can't really see it.
I'm going to go in with the The Metamorphic highlighter in High Priestess, that purpley shift, put it on the center of the eye. And I'm going to still build up the black a little bit more, but I want to see how this goes first. I just smudged the black kohl into this.
That's what I did too.
Oh, fuck. Okay, you do have to be careful, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
It's... Oh, it made kind of a darker purpley thing. Okay, I'm going to grab a brush then. Flat, small brush for more precision. I feel like this might be more of like an iridescent thing that works better as a highlighter than on your eyelids. Because it is a little bit dewy in a way. It's probably going to crease a lot.
Yeah, I really love it. This is really cool.
And then my idea was then to use the highlighter for the highlighters on top. The Alchemist. You're right, the padding. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to bring it under here as well. Woo! Silver! And I think I will use my finger to just get it along the brow bone a little.
How's it going?
Greasy.
It's greasy, eh?
A little greasy.
I like that. It's different, you know?
It really is.
I feel a little greasy too. Ooh, it's beautiful.
Well, all I want to do right now is just build up the black a little bit more. Right on this outside. It really is a different kind of formula.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like even the padding works well for the black kohl, even to blend out.
Mm-hmm.
It's really interesting. Do you want to put on mascara and come back for the rest?
All right.
We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. And we're going to do the rest of our faces. And you're going to borrow my blush, right?
Yes.
So this is Nymph, the red one. I think I'm going to try it just with my fingers.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Should I do that?
It's so pigmented, though.
I'm going to use a brush. How about that? Here's a cute little brush from Refer. I'm scared.
Why?
Oh, no.
It's really pigmented, but it shears out really nicely. Unlike if you're familiar with the Rare Beauty liquid blushes, it's like, it doesn't even shear out. It's just pigmented as well.
Really?
Oh my god, yeah. You have to be so careful with that one.
Oh, I like this very much.
Yeah, this is pretty. Pretty.
Wow. It does look like you've been walking out in the snow.
And then don't forget, this can double as a lip. So that would be really pretty. Can't wait to try that. Okay, now I want to use the High Priestess, the Lilac Shift as a highlighter, and then I'm going to top it with the Alchemist.
Me too. Uh-huh.
Just all along that top cheekbone.
I think fingers.
I usually find with like a liquid highlighter, a finger is the best. It's pretty. It's like a slight pink shift, but it's not glittery.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I thought it was going to be glitterier.
It's like luminous. Yeah, actually I'm bringing this on my whole cheek. This is so pretty. Ooh, oh. Look, my cheeks look so cute. Okay, and now I'm going to use the glitter on top.
This is greasy.
Greasy, yeah. Okay. Well, maybe my lip a little. That was a bit much.
There we go.
This can also be used, the Alchemist, everywhere. It'd be cool to do like a silvery, glittery lip for something.
Mm-hmm.
All right, ready for lips?
Yeah.
I'm going to put the pigment on first and then go in with a liner. So I'm doing the black Locust, that like dark, your lips, but vampire.
Okay, I'm going to do the opposite and line.
Thus far, this is cool because it's very a sheared out color, but you can build it up.
Does this have a smell?
Yes, I forgot to mention, everything smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
Like essential oily.
Yeah.
And now I'm going in with Endless Cacao.
Yeah, it's really smells so good.
Ooh, that's pretty. That's a pretty red.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? I don't have anything like this. in my collection of, I always say, I hardly have any lipsticks, but I counted them and I have 80. I don't have any lipsticks.
Oh my god.
I mean, like, that includes gloss.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't have any, because I have so much of everything else. Like,
yeah, look at this color. It's interesting.
Yeah, I love it. I like that color.
This is like a gray brown.
Yeah, I like that.
And these are the finished looks. It's perfect timing. Yeah, this is such interesting products. I find like this isn't like anything I've used before.
It reminds me of like stuff from the 80s or something. This brand called Madeline Mono, and it was all like witchy stuff.
Ooh.
And it was all in like strange packaging.
Ooh.
That's what it reminds me of.
Cool.
This is like nothing I have right currently.
The only thing I would say is that I probably, for staying power anyway, wouldn't really put the highlighters on like the bulk of your eyelid, only because I can see it's already creasing a little.
Which is a look.
I was gonna say that's a look. That's sort of that rock and roll grungy look. But I really like to have hydration and dewiness on my face, so that's not really a problem, but just something to be aware of. But
I would say the Soot is not like that though. The Soot has the staying power.
Okay, that's good, because it's made for the eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so definitely let us know in the comments down below if you've tried out Rituel de Fille. If you plan to check out this brand, we definitely recommend it, and we're going to link it down below. And that's it for today. We hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye,
Bye,
witches.